All right, guys, I got a showcase for a 2022 M240i. I did just sell this to my customer, and while it's still in the showroom, I thought I'd do a quick walk around, show you guys this beautiful black sapphire metallic exterior with the Tacora red interior. And let's talk about some of the specs on this car. The black sapphire is absolutely masterful on this car. The thing that really works with black sapphire on the new M240i is with the side skirt. So no matter what color you have on the M240, this black high gloss side skirt is going to stay the same color. So the black side skirt is not black sapphire, it's just high gloss black that matches in with the mirror caps, as well as the black bumper trim with the diffuser in the center. All stays black no matter what. So when you go with the black sapphire, it ties it all together and you just have one blacked out car. Also packaged in with the HEA Spec II package, you get the black wheels, which look absolutely phenomenal. The 791M wheels look really good with the red brake calipers added on. So the red brake calipers are a $500 option that were put onto this vehicle. I think it works perfect because it matches in with the Tacora red interior. So all these HEA specs, anyone that you see with the red brake calipers is having that Tacora red interior on the inside. If it had the black interior, you'd have the blue brakes on the outside. And then with the high gloss black exterior content, your grille is blacked out. The triangles in the bumper content is blacked out. The mirror caps get blacked out, as well as the tailpipes in the back. Now, one thing that factory BMW doesn't do, so as you can see the tailpipes, so one thing that factory BMW doesn't do is they don't black out the cerium gray on the badges. It's the only cerium gray that's left. When you get the cerium gray trim, it matches in with the badges because they'll do the tailpipe, the mirror, the grille content, the bumper content, and matches. So what my customer did, what we worked out for this customer with the deal that we did, is I'm going to put in the high gloss black M Performance badges. So that M240 will go black lettering, as well as the M up here on the front fender is going to go black as well. And it's going to tie together and make the car completely blacked out, and it's going to look absolutely phenomenal. So another thing that's optional on this vehicle is the adaptive LED headlights with the gold in the daytime running light. These are the $500 upgrade option that you get, which look absolutely stunning. I think it works together. I love the gold flashing out, looks really good. The new active air grille that will open up in 10 different variances for you. And the black front splitter all ties together so nicely. It still has the white on the roof, still gotta go through PDI and everything. M240 now has the M mirror caps with the M fin coming out off the side here. Give it that aggressive look, ties around with everything. Big front brakes with the red brake calipers at the front. And then moving inside the vehicle, this is the Tacora red interior. This is what I have in my car and I absolutely love it. It's a dark burgundy red on the door panel as well. Ambient lighting built in there. M Sport steering wheel, the M door stills, the M pedals. Now with this HEA Spec II package, you're also getting the full live cockpit digital gauge cluster, the larger infotainment screen. Part of HEA 2 is also the head-up display projector unit that you can see right there. You're also getting lumbar support in here. With the Vernasca leather, you get the adjustable bolstering on the side, so you can adjust in this bolstering right here. Vernasca leather is a $15 or $1,500 upgrade. You're also getting the comfort door access, the sunroof in there, remote engine start is standard. As we hop inside, take a look at the infotainment screen, climate control section, and then this one also has the upgraded aluminum trim on the inside of all of your controls. So iDrive controller over on the right, we have your traction control, park distance control, engine start stop, your actual engine start stop button, Sport, Comfort, Eco, and Adaptive M suspension is also an upgrade on this vehicle, as well as your auto hold and electronic parking brake. Moving in, wireless charging tray is available on this vehicle. Restricted on a lot of other models, but still available on the M240i. Let's put in sport mode. Hear how aggressive the exhaust is. I love how it's black there. Then you can see the ambient lighting on the inside as well. And when you have the door open, while the vehicle is running, your ambient lighting is flashing red, letting pedestrians know that your door is open at nighttime, giving everybody a warning light. Auto dimming mirrors, you can see the line there, so it's all auto dimming. Universal garage door opener is part on that mirror package as well, part of that HEA spec. Full digital gauge cluster in sport mode, eco mode, comfort, sport, and sport plus. Give us some revs. Here are all the purples. Oh, this car is beautiful. Let's take a little look at iDrive 7. When you're in the main menu here, you can go into all of the vehicle settings. I don't want to go too in depth here. If you guys want to know everything there is to know about iDrive 7, just click the link at the top of the screen. Like your interior lighting, you can change this. Say you want it to be green, and you can even turn the brightness up if you want to as well. Turn that up, and then it's green. And say you don't like the red flashing, take dynamic light, turn dynamic light off. Now when the door open, it's only green. You can also dim it for nighttime driving as well, so it's not too bright. Standard navigation comes with it. When you turn navigation, it shows up there, as well as your head-up display. No Bluetooth connected, but source media would scroll through there. Beautiful interior. Then when you're ready to get into the back seat, there's a handle, you just pull there. And you have all that backseat room. Your seats can fold forward if you need to get anything from the trunk. You need a little extra room or anything like that. With being a coupe, it is a 4-passenger, but even if you have people in the back, you have your own climate control and 2 USB-C ports there as well. So that's phenomenal. The seat automatically moves forward and backwards to let people in and out of the back. And then let's take a look at the trunk area. I love on the rear view, the Harman Kardon sound system looks so phenomenal at the back. It's one of my favorite parts of the Harman Kardon. And then all that trunk space that you get in the M240 is actually quite a lot. And you know, there's quite a wide opening here. You can stuff quite a lot of stuff in there if you need to do that. Overall, this is such a beautiful car. My customer is going to be super pumped on delivery day with the M Performance black badging, as well as the tinted glass windows. And we're also going to install the M door projector lights as well. It's going to look super awesome. So overall, super awesome car. Hope you guys appreciate this quick little showcase of this vehicle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you appreciate this content. Smash the like button down below if you made it all the way to the end. Subscribe to the channel for future BMW content. Don't forget to check out my giveaway videos because I'm giving away free BMW merchandise all the time. If you guys want to win some free stuff, check out my other videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you're in the Toronto marketplace, come visit me for your next BMW.